what is more than lawyers? And I tell people, I believe that God has called me to be more than a lawyer. I believe He's called me to be an educator. And what we do here at Monts Law is we educate our clients on the law as it relates to their specific need. We also educate them on what the right thing to do. Just because something is not illegal doesn't mean it's the right thing to do. We counsel our clients. We don't just tell them what they want to hear, we tell them what they need to hear. And I believe that if we do this, by the end of the process, you'll become family. And that's what I mean by more than lawyers. We're counselors, we're educators, and we're family.
Your community involvement has been pretty extensive. Can you elaborate a little bit about your community involvement?
Community involvement stems from the fact that I could not have made it through law school without scholarships. And it was very important for me that once I got out and I began to practice and became successful, that I could afford others the same opportunity that I had to further my education. So one of the things that we do every year, I have what we call our Family Affair Law Firm Picnic. And it's an opportunity for me to invite our clients, their family, our referral sources, and the community in general to come to a day where we're going to have fun, we're going to have food, and we enjoy family. At our picnic, our annual picnic every year, we will do our scholarship presentations. This year we presented a scholarship to Florida A&M University College of Law, as well as a scholarship for Bethune-Cookman University. We also offer raffles. It's a day filled with fun and family. And that's why we call it our Family Affair Law Firm Picnic.
The scholarships that you offer are to students who have the aptitude to attend law school, however, don't have the financial capacity to do so. In the past, have you come across students who are now in a successful place that have been recipients of the scholarship?
Yeah, well, first and foremost, our scholarships are at different levels. Our community involvement stems from elementary school all the way through law school. In the past, we have given money to elementary schools, one school in particular, where the children were going on a trip to DC, and there were some children that were underprivileged. Their family really didn't have the resources to allow them this opportunity. And we stepped up to the plate, and we presented them with a check and gave the children the opportunity to take the trip to DC. We also fund scholarships at the collegiate level for undergrad. That was one of the scholarship presentations we did at our picnic to Bethune-Cookman University. And also we fund scholarships for the law school. And one of the most rewarding things is to see the scholarship recipients go out, matriculate, pass the bar. My very first scholarship recipient was a gentleman by the name of Martez Gordon, and it felt really, really good. This year we were able to refer a case over to him, so it felt really good to see a young man that performed very well academically, was very well deserving of the scholarship, to get it. It assisted him in matriculating through law school. He became an attorney, and we were able to refer a case over to him.
We actually have some film of you funding the annual scholarship. Let's take a look at that now.
Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University College of Law. And today we got Ms. Claudine Bill as a representative from the law school. And what I want to do is, my grandma used to have a saying. She said, you can tell where a man's heart is by looking at his checkbook. You're going to see where he spent his money. And I'm one of those lawyers that I put my money where my mouth is. I believe in FAMU. I believe in the mission of FAMU to help and put more minority lawyers in the legal profession, specifically African American lawyers. That's always been something that's been important to me and to my law firm. My interns have been from Florida A&M. My attorneys that I've hired have been from Florida A&M. Florida A&M is very, very important to me. And so what I want to do today is I'm going to present a scholarship check. I'm really excited about this. This is the largest scholarship donation we've ever given to Florida A&M College of Law. It's going to be for $25,000.
And of course, I've been to some of your picnics, and there is a tremendous outpouring of love and respect for you, and that directly correlates to your involvement in the community.
Yes. Well, my law firm is unique, and one of the things that's unique to my law firm is the fact that we don't advertise at all. 100% of our business is referral based. So we have to do an outstanding job for our clients. So a lot of law firms will spend a lot of money on advertising. What we do is we take those dollars that we save from advertising and we put them back in the community in the form of the scholarships, the annual picnic. And because the community supports us tremendously, you know, it's my pleasure to be able to do this annual event and to support the community as well.
And that's such a tremendous principle of giving back to the community that that supports you. And in some cases, it's a biblical principle where companies give back to the communities that support them. I really enjoy that, and I like that about your firm.
Well, for me, you know, God is the center of my success. And the Bible declares to whom much is given, much is required. And I believe that it's important to give back. That's how I'm blessed. A lot of people think that, hey, he's so blessed and that's the reason he gives. And those that truly know me and understand, they know it's because I give. That's why I'm so blessed. And again, the community is the one that supports us. They're the ones that send their family, their friends, their co-workers to come to Monts Law. And I don't forget it. I'm forever grateful, and I think that's the highest compliment I can receive as an attorney, is for someone to refer their loved one to Monts Law.